In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Constant Contact with Wix. To get started, open Wix and log into your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website settings and connected tools. Make sure you are signed into the correct Wix account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one site. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps section. From there, open the App Market. This is where Wix lets you search for integrations and add features that work with your site. When the App Market opens, use the search bar to look for Constant Contact. In the search results, find the official Constant Contact app card and click on it. It is important to choose the official app so the connection is secure and works properly with Wix. After opening the app page, click Add to Site. Wix may then show a permission screen. If that appears, click Agree and Add to Continue. This gives the app permission to connect with your Wix site and access the features it needs to complete the integration. After that, you will be prompted to log in to your Constant Contact account. Enter your account details and continue through the sign-in process. Be sure to use the correct account if you have more than one, since this is the account that will be linked to your Wix website. Once you are signed in, Constant Contact will ask you to authorize the connection between the two platforms. Click Allow to approve the data sync. This step is what officially links Wix with Constant Contact and lets the two services work together. After you approve access, the integration should complete automatically. At that point, your Wix site and Constant Contact account will be connected. If the screen takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds to finish syncing. It is also a good idea to check that the app now appears in your Wix dashboard so you can confirm the setup was successful. That is the full process for linking Constant Contact with Wix. It is quick, straightforward, and only takes a few minutes once you know where to go. That covers everything you need to know.